Story time. So that last video I talked about forum shopping. Let me tell you all about the case that actually gave rise to that. I was representing adoptive parents who were husband and wife. They had multiple failed attempts at trying to conceive a child, so they were interested in going through the adoptive process. And I wanted to assist them with that. They were living in another state. The child was here. So me, myself, I couldn't allow a child to cross state lines, right? So I asked another attorney, could they represent that particular child, which is known as an ad litem. I asked this particular attorney because I knew the financial resources of the adopted parents were limited, and I wanted to ensure that not only that they got the child that they wanted, but they did it in a way that was less cost effective, right? Not realizing that the attorney that I asked also ran against this judge back in like 2017 or 2018. So the judge apparently didn't really like that. Although the judge beat the attorney, right? She really liked that that person had ran against her. So I had no idea that she was going to stall the case in the way that she did. When I filed the motion to have this attorney formally added to the case, the judge was not having it. She set my case on what's known as a dismissal docket, meaning she was going to dismiss it. According to the local rules in Dallas County, you dismiss the case after it's been pending for 180 days, which is 6 months. Mine was only pending for like 32 days. In an effort to protect the interests of my client as well as act in the best interest of the child, considering that's the hallmark of family court, I non-suited the case so the case could go to another court. When I refiled the case, I didn't change anything about the captions. The reason why I acted with a sense of urgency, because this child was born with serious health issues. And in order to get the child the appropriate medical care, I needed a court order. And without a court order, this child could have possibly died. When I refiled the case, I didn't change anything about the caption. Everything literally stayed the same, which is why when I got in that board hearing I told you all about, they were confused because that wasn't forum shopping. Forum shopping is very intentional. It was clear that that's not what happened there. I was doing what I believe was in the best interest of the child as well as in the best interest of my clients who were adopting this child who had serious health issues, which rose to the grievance being dismissed.